Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually share your phone screen onto your PC. So let's go ahead and get straight on with this video. What you guys are going to want to do is you guys are going to want to head over to letsview.com. This is the official website right here. I will have it in the description. You guys can go ahead and download this. This is one of the best screen mirroring wireless phone screen recorders out there. There's no watermark associated with this, so all of your videos are going to be perfect. So just go ahead and download it. Once you guys have actually downloaded it, what you guys are going to want to do is you guys are going to want to head over to your app store on iPhone. And once you guys are here at the app store, you guys are going to want to search for Let's View. So search up Let's View and then search it up, and then it should be this one right here, screen mirroring Let's View. So go ahead, download it, and once you guys have actually downloaded it, you guys are just going to want to head to the app, and what you're going to want to do, it's going to say connect, and then you guys are going to want to be on the same Wi-Fi as your computer. So if you guys do come across errors where it doesn't really connect, make sure you actually restart the app for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. You can see right here that it's not connected or anything, but make sure both your phone and your computer are on the same connection. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this out, and then we're gonna go ahead and screen record our phone right now. So we're going to reload the application. You can see you can do it through pins. So make sure you head over to your phone, head over to the screen mirroring option on iPhone, and then connect your phone. So I'll show you guys that in a bit once we actually do connect our phone here. So our phone is now connected. You guys are just going to want to go to this right here, the screen mirroring, and then press that, and then whatever the name of your thing is, it could be Let's View, and then whatever, put it as that, search for it on the tab. You can see that it's the same that matches with this PC. So connect it and you should be good. You can go ahead and record videos. You can record live stream. You could live stream this on Twitch, and you can pretty much do anything with this, guys. It is a pretty cool feature to actually have. So anyways, that's been it for the video, guys. Hopefully that helped you a bunch, and make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys for the next video.